Manchester United legend Dwight Yorke once hijacked a helicopter Sir Alex Ferguson had sorted to whisk the star from an international match to the airport. United needed Yorke back quickly from his international break, and had arranged a private helicopter to fly Yorke, and two Wrexham players, Carlos Edwards and Hector Sam, to the airport on Trinidad so they could catch their flight back to the UK. Ex-Wrexham boss Brian Flynn recalled the tale to Red Dragon's fan podcast Fearless in Devotion. "I found out, from Sir Alex, United had put a helicopter outside to take him from the match to the airport by chopper. Back in Manchester and Wrexham that night," he continued. "Thursday morning, Carlos and Hector didn't arrive for training, so they've obviously missed their flight. They come in Friday morning. Carlos can't tell lies, Hector could. He could lie all day and we'd believe him." Relive Wrexham's record-breaking season with our 84-page glossy souvenir. Celebrate the 111-point season with our special edition souvenir that's packed full of stats, analysis, heartfelt reaction and brilliant pictures. Wrexham AFC is the football club on everyone's lips thanks to Ryan Reynolds and Rob McElhenney. And now you can follow their Hollywood story all the way to promotion. From why the celebrity owners wanted to buy a small North Wales club in the first place to all their new celebrity fans, this great 84-page glossy souvenir gives you the inside track of the story that shocked the world. It includes an exclusive Q&A with the boss Phil Parkinson answering fans' questions, as well as Captain Ben Tozer opening up on those amazing celebrations. Executive Director of Humphrey Kerr gives you his guide to running a football club with fellow Welcome to Wrexham documentary stars Mark Griffiths and Wayne Jones taking you through the non-league years and their favourite games respectively. Flynn continued to reveal he grilled the two stars about how they missed the flight. Edwards eventually caved, and went into Flynn's office to give his boss an explanation. Edwards had requested Flynn didn't tell Sir Alex, before explaining. Carlos and Hector jumped in the helicopter with Dwight, and they were hovering above the ground as Dwight says to the pilot, "Head straight for Tobago." The pilot said no and Dwight said no, "Take me home to Tobago." So they went to Tobago and stayed with him in his mansion. "I think he must have had a party or something." Sir Alex eventually called up Flynn, however, the Scotsman was on the phone to apologise to the Wrexham boss. Flynn joked, he knew what Dwight was like. It also transpired that Fergie knew exactly what had happened, despite Edwards' worries when speaking to Flynn.